Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your beautiful Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing the UAG Mouve or Mouve Case. I don't know how they want to pronounce that. For the Galaxy Z Fold 7. We might just call it the Mouve Case, but it may be French like Mouve. I don't know, like je ne sais pas. I used to take French way back in high school. I don't know how to speak it anymore. But it may be, I'm going to just call it Mouve. Y'all can call it Mouve, I guess. We'll see what they want to call it. But the people at UAG was nice enough to send this out to me for a review. So I got to give them a shout out. I will have links in the description. You can definitely pick this case up if you want to. I pretty much say this in all my videos, but if you don't know who UAG is, I don't know where you've been, but they make some great cases for many different devices, so I don't think this one will be any different. Like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up, we'll make sure the overall fit, you know, do you get camera protection, do you get lip protection for your display, how strong is that magnet there, can your wireless charge, you know, does it cover up your buttons or not? Is it easy to use the power button? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. You can get this case, like I said, look in the description. It will definitely be in there. And then also we'll check and see if the case plays friendly with my screen protector on the front piece. So we'll check all of that. But let's get into it. Enough of me yapping around. But this is a presentation from UAG. It's a normal presentation. Drop tested, as I said, built-in magnet. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. I would say with the Mouve case. But here's the case itself. Bam, let me get this off. So it's a two-piece case. I love how this part is shaded or frosted. And it has some grip on the sides too. And it has some grip on this side too. It does have adhesive strips. But with this case, you can... if you didn't want to use the front piece, you can just rock the back piece here if you wanted to. You don't have to use this one if you don't want to, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to use it. But if you didn't want to, you don't have to. So, do you get camera protection or lip protection? Yes, you do. You can see how, look how much. Also, you have a lot of room for camera protection there. Bam. Also, I like that grip. Like I said, the power button and vine rockers are easy to get to because you have some room in there. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up at the top, as you can tell. Now, does it add bulk? Look, every case is going to add something to the Fold 7. Yes, because this is a thin foam, but overall, it's not that thick of a case. Look at it. I mean, if I have, let's see. Let me find a phone here. So, for example, the Google, it makes it a little bit thicker than, say, having a Google phone without a case on there. So does it add a little bit of thickness? Yes, it does. It really does. But again, I won't say this is a heavy duty case. Now, one thing I noticed too, and you can look at it, let me turn this off, is you can see it does not play really friendly with my screen protector from Spigen. So it's not playing friendly. So there's two things. I could take off the screen protector, or I just don't use the front piece. I don't know. They do have a screen protector on there for their site, so maybe I will have to check that out. But right now, it does not play friendly with my screen protector from Spigen. But overall, I like the grip of it. Does not have hinge protection either. But when you open it up, bam, you have your full display out there. So that's I don't know, a lot of people want the hinge protection on there. For me, I don't think it matters. Now, the overall fit, again, because these cases and these companies have been doing this for almost 7 years now, they know how to make these cases fit really well now, too. So, it's a lot. I mean, look, it takes a lot of work to get these cases off, too. So, shout out to them for making it so much better than, say, the Fold 4 cases were. 10-year wireless charge, I don't think you'll have a problem. So, 10-year wireless charge, yes, you can. And then, oh, the magnet is on there. Yeah, that magnet is on there pretty well. Is it one of the strongest ones I've seen? No, but that magnet is strong enough to do its deed. Now, they did send me out some other goodies. They sent me out their wallet stand thing here. So you can actually use this as a stand if you wanted to. It does block the camera display there, but it's pretty nice. That's a nice little wallet. You have a little wallet there too. Then they sent me this dual magnet little ring holder slash kickstand. And you can multi like use it. So you can put this on a magnet somewhere too if you wanted to, and just use it in multiple angles. So overall, this case checks off a lot of boxes. Let's start off the two things I'm gonna complain about. It is not very screen protector friendly, and then no hinge protection. For me, that's not a big deal at all. The not playing friendly is I have two decisions: not use the front piece or take off the screen protector. But as far as the hinge protection, that's not a big deal. But you do get camera protection there. You also do have great display protection. The buttons are easy to get to. Everything lines up. Doesn't add bulk. It fits really well. The magnet is really strong on there and doable. So there's a lot of things, great things on there. It just looks great too. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.